So, this is what a package contains. Tiger 1 40 model 1/77 scale. Tracks. And a baggie full of, looks like puzzle pieces. B's here. A's will go here. C's here. It's a B. A. C. D. A. Alright, so the instructions, fairly simple, but not so simple as they could be. Alright, so part 1 is putting AO2 and AO1 together. There's AO1, and there's AO2. That way, click, and cleaning off some of the stuff. This is definitely not polystyrene. This is something else. Okay. Next step, AO4 and AO3. AO9, 8, 6, 7, 10. So AO3 is on this side facing that way, and AO4 that side facing that way. Match up with that space. There we go. Alright, O2 is on this side, and it goes this way. There we go. Alright, so next comes turret construction. Those, that, and I saw something else here. That was this. Alright. So one is putting these two together, like that. Alright, and two. Not sure where that goes. Ah. There we go. That's the smoke launchers, smoke grenades. Alright, there's the gun. And there's the top. Alright, finished turret. And And we finish off the hull, snap on the turret, and the tracks. So, there, number 1 is connecting CO7, which is lower tracks, to the hull. And number 2, I assume, is the other side. And usually, after I do that, I go ahead and add the tracks. They don't tell you to do that, but that kind of makes sense. Tracks are just basic rubber. They don't need to be because the wheels don't move. But it's alright. Okay. Alright. So, what other one do we do? We do BO4, which is the whole plate there where the machine gun sits. And attach that here. Yeah, like that. There we go. That holds these on better. And then 2, the central part. Okay. And that goes there, right? Yep. There. And 3, which is the front of the hull. Top. Ah, come on. Why is it not snapping in? You know why? Because I am not putting in the right piece. That's the back. That should be how it goes. Because I put this in backwards. That's... Yeah, we're back to you have to really read the instructions carefully. Because this thing does not want to come apart. I wonder if I can use this to pull it out. Alright, that's not working. Alright, universal tool. Like I said, sometimes things can go in more than one way. When that happens, you are royally screwed. Fine. I'll just do that. No. There we go. Back to where it was before. Perfect. Much better. Alright. This goes like that. I know that. Well, that'll work. Alright. Three, four. Where's number 4? 4 is putting the back deck together, which is B1 with B6 and with B8 and B9. That's probably B8. That is B9, and the middle one is B10. I'm looking for B1. That's B5. That's C1. That's B1. Huh. B1's awfully small. Alright, so. And this B1 does not look like that B1. So these two go together, snap on like that. There's no way that's correct. That is an incorrect instruction. That's the other thing you got to watch out for. There we go. That looks like the back deck of a King Tiger. Uh-oh, 7 means this goes on first. Wait a minute, it doesn't seem to want to go there. There we go. And 8 brings all this down. But that can't be step 8 because guess what? These have to fit in there, and you can't do that if you in. Oops, just knocked something off. Hopefully it wasn't an important part. So this goes down. And then this goes in. Ah, look at that. A tank deck. Alright. And I need the front part. 5. And right here. Aha. BO4 needs to go in first. There. Now, this. Alright, not the best instructions, but ones that you can figure out. And then, turret goes on, do elevation, turn. The other neat thing is it's kind of hefty. It's not really light like a traditional plastic model. And it looks about the right size. So there you have it. With respect to size, and how close is it to 172, the painted ones here are 1/72 scale tanks from various manufacturers. You've got a Stug and a Panzer IV and then a Panther. And as you can see, the Panthers are really close, but these 4D model versions are just a tiny bit bigger. But with respect to the Stug, there's a significant difference. And I think these 4D models might scale well with, is it the Tamiya Easy 8 Sherman, which comes out to be more like 164 scale, 160 scale versus 172, and I think the rest of these are pretty much like that as well. Anyway, there you have it. Easy models, and they come out to be about $5 each, at least on the Amazon order that I got them from.